Welcome to the Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson, coming to you as always here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you the CompTIA A+ certification training program. The CompTIA, as you well know, is one of the most distinguished and well-recognized IT certification bodies worldwide. And the A+ certification is a foundational training program and cert which provides you with fundamental skills to be an IT technician. Now, as part of this program, you will also receive a free exam voucher to take the CompTIA 220-1001 and 220-1002 certification exams, which together will certify you as an A+ CompTIA professional. Now, there are some 17 different training modules in this program. I won't go through all of them, but let me just touch on some of the key points for you. First of all, understanding different operating systems, and frankly, this course primarily will focus on Windows, currently Windows 10, and whichever version of Windows Microsoft may choose to release going forward. Understanding and configuring and installing PC components, configuring and troubleshooting display and multimedia servers and devices, installing and configuring storage devices, Windows, Microsoft, as well as network infrastructure concepts and topologies, as well as managing user workstations and shared resources, just to name a few. There's quite a few more than this. So if this sounds attractive to you and you're just in the process of launching your IT services and technical career, this particular certification is an outstanding foundational gateway to unlocking numerous career opportunities, as well as building a strong income and earning stream for your profession. This is Lawrence Wilson signing off from the Online Learning Central. Visit our website today. You can enroll as you wish, and we will wish you much success and see you soon.